In this tutorial, we will see that how you can resize images in Canva, free and easy. So let's dive right in. So we are in this canva.com official website. To start with, if you click on this create design, it will show you this type of window to select type of your image or video. But at the bottom side, you'll find here custom size. If you open it, it will show you this to type width and height. So we'll type width and height according to my design. So we'll type 500 by 500. Create new design. It will open up this window after resizing canvas size. So on the left side you'll find here this uploads option. Click on that and upload file from here. I have uploaded already some of pictures, so I will simply use it from here. So if I click on this picture, it show here like this. To resize it, there are a couple of methods to do. The first method is simply drag this image like this. It will automatically apply it on your canvas size like this. You can also adjust it. So this was the first method. If you click on this image and it's showing here, so to make it to full frame, you can simply right click and here it will show you this set image as background. It will change image ratio according to your canvas size. So there's the second method. And the third method is to click on this resize and magic switch. Here it will give you this resize option. If you open it, you can find here this some of options like Instagram story, Instagram post and many other, but it's in pro plan. If you want to use this feature as free, what you can do is from here, while selecting custom size, you can select according to your design. You can type here like width and height according to your design. For example, for YouTube thumbnail 1080 by 720. So these were the methods to resize images in Canva.